guys, look at the coconut here. Good morning to everyone. Oh, we have our Typhoon, Kristin. So look at the situation here, dancing so much, rock and roll. And look at the plants of yum, obium. So look at a banana here. Look at drop here, guys. Look at the situation. Very strong. Coming already the here in Visayas, Dumaguete, the typhoon of strong wind. Little, but anyway, it's a little showering. Not too much, but very bad wind, strong wind, blow up, guys. So much blow up. At my plant here, and lately I just fix my shade because it's blow up. They remove it and take it out, so I just fix it. And look at the coconut, guys. Rock and roll dancing. Look at. Oh, so much windy. Here. You be scary. Oh, look at. It's coming now. I think 2 o'clock. Because I heard in the news 2 o'clock will be passing by in Camarines, Bicol. Yeah, I don't know, 2 a.m. I think gonna be 2 a.m. but it's not 2 a.m. yet, or maybe yesterday that happened. I don't know, but I think today happened because look at us here. Look at the banana of nanay. So bad. So bad, guys. It's a little bit shower. Oh my gosh. Look at our cable. Maybe our cable will be affected. Look at drop here. Look at the banana of nanay. Damage. Oh. Look at. Here only the portion is bad. But some of this banana there, I think, I don't know. I don't see it. It's breaking. I don't see it. Only here. Only in our side, here the side of our house. This is my better my green top doesn't affect maybe the banana doesn't is still in the malunggay. Okay. It's still in the malunggay. The malunggay is the one who saved the not to drop in my green tops. Okay. Hello. Ah, you have a new one? Trikes?
Yung daan ko.
Ah, daan.
We have too much.
Oh,
You have too much? That's great.
We are very rich.
That's good. Spend your money as long as you're still Okay, that's happening today. It's very scary. Glory. I don't know what's happening with some of the area of Mindanao and the Luzon mostly affected too much. Marinas Norte so much affected. So okay, that's what happened today, guys. Oh, the rain is back again. Back again. They're fighting with the sun and the rain. And the wind. Look at here in Dumaguete. It's rain, blow up. Maybe it's a little showering, but it's because of the wind is making so much strong, so it's blow up. Oh, again, no wind is a little bit only, so the rain you could see that doesn't see it. Okay, let's be here in not totally bad. Anyway, not totally bad, but still danger, guys. Still very dangerous. Because like this, look at dancing coconut. Look at dancing so much. Coconut. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. You see that? Look at. Oh my god. We don't have a flood, but just look at the wind blow out. Ayaw na lang, unya na kayo para makita ni nanay. Bakit? Unya, augma na. Or, ano? Ambot, si kaso baka na ni nanay o kabalo? Gani. But mura na mag-busy na siya. Pati man siyang bossing. Love you. Dancing rock and roll. Dancing coconut tree. Oh, ga-fight ang sun. Ayan. Ito ang sitwasyon dito sa Dumaguete. Wow. Dito sa aming likuran, sa backyard namin ito. Bagay.